to go. Lionel Messi begins life at Paris Saint-Germain. Good evening. An employee at the British Embassy in Berlin is under arrest, suspected of spying for Russia. German police say the man, a British citizen, is suspected of selling documents to a representative of a Russian intelligence service. He was arrested in Potsdam, southwest of the German capital. Diplomatic editor Dominic Waghorn has the latest.
Talking to espionage experts today, and they're saying, well, we thought that this looks like an echo from the Cold War. The Cold War's never really ended, and this kind of spying has been going on both sides by all countries ever since the end of the Cold War. It continues, it's pretty rife. There's a lot of it about, Mark. What we know by the end of the day is that this man is a 57-year-old. He's accused of passing on some kind of secrets that he's found at the embassy to the Russians in return for money. The Germans are naming him as David S, but beyond that, we don't know whether that's a pseudonym. We assume it's a pseudonym. We don't have his identity. He's appearing before prosecutors. We may find out more, but we may not. And often we don't find out even what we know today. Quite often these cases are uncovered, and the secret services, they use the people that they don't arrest, but use them as double agents. And what's intriguing about this case is that we've been told that the security services knew about this alleged betrayal some time ago. They've had him under surveillance. They've only chosen to pounce with their German counterparts now. And so what have they been doing in the meantime? They're trying to work out what this man's been doing. Allegedly, what network he's part of, what its secrets has he been passing on, and possibly they've been turning him unwittingly into a double agent by giving him information that he's passed on that would be misleading to the Russians. That's kind of speculation that is possibly what has been going on.